Welcome to the PSR YouTube channel. Hey, I love YouTube. YouTube's awesome. It's awesome. You should become a YouTube creator. Totally. This video will get monetized. Yes.
Whoa, yeah. We're having lots of family fun now. Whoa, yeah. None of these are real guns now. Whoa, yeah. Also got a Patreon, the link is in description. Got some merch too, yeah, you know you wanna get some.
Thank you for being patient. I think we've stroked the algorithm enough for today. The video starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of PSR. Today we're doing shotgun stuff, and shotguns are a lot of fun, especially when you put some spicy ammo inside. So today we're going to be shooting some projectiles, some 12 gauge projectiles made by Holy S Ranch. These are the folks that brought you Dragon's Breath. If you're a fan of GunTube going way back, you'll remember Kyle, FPS Russia, shooting Dragon's Breath. That was my first introduction to Dragon's Breath. There's Super Dragon's Breath, there's all sorts of Dragon's Breath they make. I wish we could shoot the Dragon's Breath, but right now it's just too dry out. It is quite flammable. And the company that makes Dragon's Breath, Holy S Ranch, we're shooting their SOB rounds, and we're gonna be shooting it at various fruit, which is always fun, and we got some water with food coloring in it. But first, I gotta thank the channel sponsor for PSR, and that is Aves Engineering. Guys, if you are into DIY projects, squirted glizzies, you're gonna love Aves because they got everything you need for that fun hobby. They also got a ton of Mac uppers, quality stuff. So I wanna give a big thank you to Aves Engineering for sponsoring this channel. I think first we're gonna shoot the SOB round. I'll show you this, it's a brass projectile. Let's just look at it real quick because it's nuts. All right, so this is a 12 gauge round. It's called the SOB. This thing is a solid brass projectile. It's actually a collapsing projectile. So this like waffle pattern at the end, this is meant to break up on the way out of the smooth bore barrel of your shotgun. We got the Panzer M4 Speed Pro here. Honestly, I would not want to be on the other end of this because this bottom part stays intact, and that's kind of like acts as your slug. In a way, it's almost like modernized buckshot. Yeah, so these ends, they kind of collapse as they come out of the barrel, and so the spread is decent at a close range. But we're gonna see how this does on a gel block. But first, I just kind of want to see what the energy is. So yeah, this is 1,200 feet per second also. So I'm really curious what it's gonna do to our water over there. What do you say, we let it rip? All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness. And we're a little wet. Wow. That is absolutely eviscerated. Holy shit. Well, this is what's left of our water. I mean, you can see where it absolutely just shredded through that plastic. That's pretty insane. Damn.
I got stuff all over me.
Now we're gonna shoot the watermelon. Classic. I feel like Gallagher right now because that is about to go bye-bye. Nice. All right guys, so now we got the real ballistics tests. I've never actually gotten a chance to shoot gel before, and we've got $500 brick of gel. So we're gonna shoot this SOB round, the ones that we hit the watermelon with and the bottle of water. The slug stays here, so this should probably lodge itself inside the gel. 1,200 feet per second. It's gonna be really interesting to shoot gel. I've never shot gel before, so this is a first on PSR. Can't wait. Let's shoot the gel block. All right, we got our 10 by 10 by 20 gel block here. And this is the good stuff because when you slap, it gives a little nice little jiggle. Gotta love it. All right, let's see what this SOB round does to the gel. Let's do it in 3, 2, 1. Oh baby, I think I got a good go on that one. Guys, check this out. There it is. And look at all the little shards of, oh wow. So you can see where that thing was already kind of coming apart like it's supposed to when it hit the gel block, and then in it goes, and there's our projectile right in there. That is so cool. Holy shit, I would not want to get hit by that. All right, now we're gonna line up two things of water, two jugs of water here, and we're gonna see how the SOB round, if it'll go through both. 3, 2, 1. I think the answer is yes on that. Wow. I wonder if we can, I mean, the projectile's gotta be here somewhere, but wow, that was pretty spectacular. All right, as a special treat, we got some rip rounds from G2. Very gnarly, as you can see. And we're gonna shoot it at the Beretta PMX. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Woo, damn. Oh my God. Look at it from the side, dude. That is so gnarly. Look at all the little pieces of copper. Holy fuck, I would not want to be on the other end of that. Oh, bud. The little pieces. That is great. Wow, look at it from over here. That shoots really nice with the can on it. Wow, that's gnarly, man. If you're interested in this ammo, I can't link where to get it or anything in the description, but Danger Close Guns are the ones that are gonna be providing this. They're the only online distributor of this ammo, so definitely check out Danger Close Guns if you want these SOB rounds or, you know, anything else like Dragon's Breath, etc. Shout out to Danger Close Guns. That was pretty fun. I know it's a shorter video than normal, but I just thought these rounds were kind of crazy and I don't get a chance to shoot gel blocks. So this is what we did. We put our SOB round in. I think the name is quite fitting. You saw how far it went in. This is probably a good 15, 16 inches into our gel block. This is a 20 by 10 by 10. I would not want to be on the other side of that. That's intense. Damn, probably a war crime. But you can use this for home defense. Yeah, that's gonna do some serious damage. We have a lot of fun here. Sometimes you just gotta shoot some fruit, shoot some water, shoot some gel blocks with some 12 gauge, guys. Hope you go out, touch some grass today. Hope you're enjoying the summer. Love this little Panzer M4 Speed Pro. It's a sweet little semi-auto. The rounds, they didn't cycle on this gun because it's maybe a lighter load than normal and maybe a little bit less powder, but I mean, it's going at 1,200 feet per second, so pretty damn hot. Guys, thanks again for watching another episode of PSR. We love you. If you want to support me on Patreon, it goes a long way. Helps me cover expenses like ammo and other stuff. You get early access to videos as well as access to my music. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.